A few moments later.
Oh, dude. Almost 1 week na siyang hindi naglumabas si Jewel. Seryoso ang aking baby ah. After almost, 1 week na.
Oh no!
Are you happy? Huh?
Jewel. Jewel. Okay, part-time GB kahit saglit lang. Ayan o. Ganda ka ng asawa ko. Yeah.
Wow, ganda ng ano. Ganda ng langit oh. Buti umaraw ng konti ngayon. And now, solo na naman ang park. Meron palang tao doon. Just a second. Huwag masyadong chill. Tadan! Hello! Julie! So, yung bahay namin, ayun lang. Lapit-lapit lang sa amin. Hi, my love!
Siguro kailangan ng ano, no? Hindi na kailangan. Nang sa likod niya. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Hi. Lagay mo na. Lantay mo. Yes. Yes, you are. Okay. Ayusin mo. Tingnan mo na kami yung ano niya. Dapat sa gitna yung bit niya. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Jewelry! Daddy's going to play, okay? Daddy's going to play. Pag talaga si Daddy. Number 1 fan ni Daddy yun eh. Grabe makatawa oh. Grabe na. Grabe naman. Galing-galing ni Daddy. Go, Daddy, go! Come on, say. Go, Daddy, go! Go, Daddy, go! Go, Daddy, go!
I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never need somebody.
autumn na. Ayan, so... Na-miss the baby ko yung ano yung swing niya almost 1 week siya hindi nakapag-swing. So, ayan. Happy ka? Happy ka, jewelry yun? Ay, sus! Ay, sus! Buti hindi ako sa camera. Bagal ni daddy mo. Good job, daddy. Hey, boo. So our home there. Go, 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 Daddy, go, go. Higher! You want it higher? Higher! Woohoo! Higher! Yes! Yes! Higher! Likit mami, likit mami. Yeah! Higher! Higher! Ay, gawin yung papa. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Joey!
Yeah, slowly, like before. Yeah. Slowly. Very good. Go ka na dun ka. Very good. Yes. Yeah, aray ko.
It's dirty there, Joey.
No, wait na. Come, come, come. Come with me. Come with me. Yes, you are. Come. You can do it, baby. Yes. Go. Then hawakan yun, no? Okay lang yan. Then hawakan, basta mo lang. Yay! Very good. Go. Pwede na anak, pwede na tayo mamasyal pagkatapos ng pandemya. Hindi kasi malapit to. Yes. Close, malapit ka dahil baka malo. Yan. Yes, you are. Yes, malayo Pwede ng baby ko maglakad. Slowly, slowly. You can do it. Yes. You can do it. Yes. Okay na. Ready na. You want more? Okay. Go to your mom. Okay. Come. Oh, op. Shortcut ka. Not dirty. Come with me, come with me. Hindi kasi, syempre. Yay! Ang laki na Ha? Hindi muna, wag muna. Saka lang slide. Diyan, ingatan dyan ha. Sandali. Oh, kasi mano dyan eh. Wait. You can do it. Oh. Okay lang yan. Busy na siya eh. Nakakita niya na yung ano niya eh. Kotse, nakapark. Anong time na? Anong oras na pala? 30? Pwede na. Kasi ikot pa tayo eh. No?
Come here. Papan. Jewelry.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと友達は充実するのもど噂の dreaming が忘れ君の虜になってしまえばきっと友達は充実するのもど噂の dreaming が忘れ君の虜になってしまえばきっと友達は充実するのもど噂の dreaming が忘れ君の虜になってしまえばきっと友達は充実するのもど噂
Hello! Katapos lang po ng aming ensayo, basketball, din pasal-pasal si Jewel. Nakakaingal. Matagal na tambay sa bahay. Okay, thank you for watching!
And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come